This is the solution video for section 2.1, problem number 15. All right, so in problem number 15, it is just asking us to find the derivative, right? So find dy dx, or in this case, h prime of z. All right, so we have a quotient, so we're going to use the quotient rule. So we have u over v. So I'm going to write h prime of z. All right, quotient rule, remember, says take the denominator 2 minus 9z times the derivative of the numerator. So derivative of 8 is 0, minus the derivative of z, which is 1, plus the derivative of 3z squared, which would be 6z, right? Minus the numerator, 8 minus z plus 3z squared, times the derivative of the denominator. So derivative of 2 is 0, minus 9 times the derivative of z, so 9 times 1. All right, so just be 9. All right, all of that divided by the denominator, 2 minus 9z squared. All right, so now we're going to simplify. All right, so I'm going to distribute here. I've got negative 2. I've got plus 9z. I've got plus 12z, 12z, right? And then I've got a minus 54z squared, right? All right, then I've got this minus and the minus 9 to distribute. So it's going to become plus 72, all right, minus 9z, and then plus 27z squared. All right, so now all of that divided by 2 minus 9z quantity squared. All right, so now I'm going to combine like terms. And remember, I always want to carry this down. H prime of z equals h prime of z equals. All right, so now I've got a negative 2. I've got a 72, right? So I'm going to end up with a positive 70, right? So I'm going to write that here, all right? Then I've got, I like to write it in descending order. So I like the highest power first. So I've got a 27z squared, and this should have been a 54z squared, right? So I've got negative 54 plus 27 is a negative 27z squared, all right? And then I've got positive 9z, 12z, so 21z minus 9z, so plus 12z. All right, all of that divided by 2 minus 9z squared.